Hello sa mga kamarites ko dyan. Welcome back to our vlog. Eto na sa mga nag-aabang ng latest chika natin kay Ilmos Bektash. Charot. Eto nga, naging super duper active na siya sa kanyang Instagram. Nagpabalik na siya at mukhang marami siyang time mag-share ng mga kanyang larawan at saka mga quotes at may pa-profile under construction pa siyang shinare. At eto nga ang kanyang message. Hello there friends, I am editing my profile because I will convert my profile to an public account. Wow, nag-public na po siya mga kamarites ko dyan. For this reason, I share many posts and delete some pictures after the editing of my profile account is completed. I will share new pictures with you more carefully and regularly. Kaya naman pala, very active na siya mag-post. I thank you for your understanding and patience. That's Ricard. Parang minonetize na niya kasi itong kanyang account na ito, ang kanyang Instagram. So, yan, new photos niya, kanyang shinare niya yan. At eto naman is old na ito, na-share na before. So, nakapublic na pala ang kanyang Instagram account and blue badge na rin si Sir YT. At ang kanyang mga photos na sinishare naman is, andyan naman si Rufa na nagla-like. At eto nga, gwapong-gwapo siya dito. I think this one is the new photos of him. And mga nagagandang mga paintings, mga arts, and of course, ang mga quotes by Rumi. Kaya enjoy watching till the end, mga kamarites ko dyan. Kasi marami siyang shinare na mga quotes, kaya kayo na lang po ang magbasa. Marami yan hanggang sa watch till the end na lang. Okay? So, keep on watching. But wait, ang inabangan pala ng mga marites is yung kanyang girlfriend, kung kumusta na kaya, anong balita kaya. Well, wala na po tayong nakukuhang update about sa kanyang partner or girlfriend kasi wala naman na siyang share, and pati na rin ang kanyang kapatid na si Kesra. Ayun, wala silang share na. So, yeah, abangan na lang natin. Keep on watching.
Small town, big heart, building dreams that always fall apart. Slow days, fast cars, nowhere to go, so we stay where we are. There's only one way in and one way out. Seems like it's always cloudy in this town. I'll find sunshine in the rain. I'll let the storm wash me away to the other side of that one-stop sign. We've been scared of our whole lives. I'll find home in lonely days. I'll find sunshine in the rain. Dad's gone, 9 to 5. Works real hard keeping on the lights of that neon sign. Mom's glued to the TV, all her answers laid out on the screen, watching Jeopardy.